Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Our Canvas template lets you create completely customized campaigns from scratch using our drag and drop builder. And the best part is, you don't need any coding skills. You can easily add elements like styled text, images, icons, videos, buttons, and much more. If you are code savvy or have a developer on your team, you can include your own HTML, CSS code, JavaScript, and even WordPress shortcodes, giving you unlimited customization options. Once you've created your campaign, you can use OptinMonster's wide range of personalization and targeting options to ensure that you get the right offer in front of the right people at exactly the right time. OptinMonster works on all types of websites, and we have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers. So whether you want to grow your email list or increase sales, our Canvas template lets you create completely customized mobile responsive lead generation campaigns in minutes without hiring a developer. Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.